Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Tesco Bank card. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and now type in tescobank.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Tesco Bank. Now, right at the home page, you can find the credit cards button. But before activating your card, simply click on the login button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the login portal. Now just proceed with logging into your account by typing in your credentials and then just click on the login button and you will be logged into your Tesco Bank account. After you log into your account, simply click on the credit cards tab and from there you will find an activate button to activate your card. Simply click on the button and your card will be activated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your card with Tesco Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.